Welcome to Virtualize Everything. Tonight's video is going to be a little bit of a throwback video to the old days of Virtualize Everything. When we started, we're using my beloved Mac, which I much prefer to work on over Windows, and the internal mic on this system, because my house is quiet enough due to the fact that I am at my house in Maine, and once again working on a tethered cell phone through a VPN connection with my server at my other house. So today, I plan to feature a new feature added in Proxmox 7 that I am just using now, as it is much more convenient to use when I am on a tethered low-speed connection so far away. So with Proxmox 6, in order to upload an ISO to your server, you would have to first download it to your system and then upload it to your server. That worked quite well, but when you are on a low-speed connection, that could be quite time-consuming. Now with Proxmox 7, we can directly download a ISO file from the internet to the server. So here on Ubuntu's website, we're going to download a copy of Ubuntu. We can go to the download section and we want Ubuntu server. So now from the Ubuntu server screen, I'm going to choose option 2, manual server installation, and then I want 2104, so I'm going to scroll down here, click download, and I'm presented with this screen. Now, my browser's going to prompt me to download the Ubuntu image. I'm just going to click cancel now, and then where it says download now, I can right click, copy the link address. That will give me the link address or the URL to the file so that I can tell Proxmox exactly where to download the ISO from. Now, heading to my Proxmox server, I select the storage drive, in my case local, that I would like to download the ISO to. Then I select ISO images and download from URL button. At that point, I can copy in the address that I found on the Ubuntu website and then give it a name. Now this name will fail if I don't remember to put a .iso at the end. It'll give me an error message. As long as I've filled it out with the .iso, I can now go ahead, click download, and the image will begin downloading. So as you can see now, it says task OK, so it is safe to exit this screen, and we can see now that underneath my Kali image that Ubuntu 2104 has shown up. That is all that is to using the Proxmox direct URL download feature that was added in Proxmox 7. I hope you enjoyed tonight's presentation on using the Proxmox direct download feature. And if you did, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to this video to help Virtualize Everything bring you more great tutorials and feature highlights for different features around virtualization. As always, have a good night.